Hi everyone, with me again, Mr. IDP. In this video, we will be talking about the words few and a few. Few and a few are quantifiers. We use few and a few to describe a small number or a small quantity of something. So something here is countable noun. Okay, we use few and a few for countable nouns. So what should we use for uncountable noun? We use little and little. Okay, all right. So what is the differences, okay, between few and a few? So I have written here, so few, hardly any, okay, hampir tidak ada, and have negative sense, okay, and then we can say not enough, okay, the number or the quantity is not enough, but a few, okay, it could mean some and have positive statement or positive sense, and the number is enough. Okay, so I have written some example sentences here. Okay, this is here I have written there are 2 apples on the table. Okay, so Andy says there are few apples on the table, and Mike says there are a few apples on the table. Okay, both of these 2 sentences are grammatically correct. Okay, but what is the difference? Well, Andy says there are few apples on the table. It means that Andy is not satisfied with the number. Okay, and he feels that it's not enough. But Mike says there are a few apples on the table. It means that the number is enough for Andy. Oke, teman-teman, ketika kita menggunakan few di sini, kita merasa bahwa jumlah tersebut tidak cukup, ya, atau kurang, ya, atau di sini hardly any, hampir tidak ada, hanya tinggal beberapa dan tidak cukup untuk yang diharapkan. Oke, let's see the other examples. Okay, di sini saya sudah menuliskan statement di sini. Messi scored 10 goals last season. Ya, Messi mencetak 10 gol pada musim lalu. Lalu di sini sudah saya tulis ada 2 opini yang berbeda. John merasa tidak puas tentang hal itu, sedangkan di sini George merasa kecewa tentang hal itu. Jadi ketika kita merasa puas, ya, atau kita berpendapat netral, kita di sini bisa mengatakan, ya, Messi scored, ya, a few goals last season. Oke, tetapi ketika kita merasa kecewa dengan 10 gol ini, kita di sini bisa mengatakan few. Oke, Messi scored few goals last season. Alright, so now this is your saya memberi Anda, ya, kesempatan untuk menjawab 2 kalimat ini. Yang pertama, Rama is always angry. Okay, that's why he has blank friends. What should we add here? Okay, few or a few. And then number 2, the party was really good. Okay, yeah, there were blank friends I knew. Okay, semoga video ini bermanfaat. Silahkan teman-teman, ya, menjawab 2 kalimat ini, apakah di sini few atau a few. Demikian juga untuk soal nomor 2. Kepada teman-teman yang belum menonton video mengenai kata little and a little, silahkan tonton di video sebelumnya. Thanks for watching and see you next time. Goodbye.